Do you desire to unleash yourself? To liberate the creative power within you? You feel you have received and you have everything to make it happen in this lifetime. I know that there are powerful practices to support us in doing so. Don't you feel you wish to just do your best, to give it all? That Sai is given so much practices, workshops, work, consciously evolving this physical body into its luminous being. Everything we need. Don't we feel we wish to be co-creators in that? To awaken the magnificence of who we are and humanity? So for that, we know we have the Global Unity Gathering in mid-December. Such a powerful point of unleashing all of us, manifesting this for humanity. And Profound Awakening in mid-November to dive deeper in the sacredness and power of the soul of who we are in everyday life. And we've been thinking, okay, we can create a 4-hour workshop. Now that we can use these practices, hearing Saima saying again and again, practice these kriyas, kriyas breath, practice your kriyas. Kriyas are timeless, ancient, tantric yogic practices of meditation, breath work, intention, focused action, working with light, Shakti, to illuminate ourselves, to free ourselves, to work with the Kundalini Shakti. This Shakti is the creative, divine, feminine energy that creates all that is, all the worlds. And it is within us in our physical body. And these Kriya practices teaches us how to consciously work with it. Would you like to do that? So we gathered, and I will teach in this 4-hour workshop, these powerful practices, some that Saima is giving, some from the yogic tantric practices that I've been practicing for over 30 years that I teach in my Shiviti school, and we bring the jewels of them in this 4-hour workshop. That this will empower us, first of all, to balance our divine, feminine, masculine energies within us. Then to learn how to work with, consciously co-create with the Kundalini Shakti, this creative power within us, to illuminate ourselves, our energy. And with that, to juice up our daily practice of meditation. So every day will be so juiced. We have these incredible practices to use. And all of that to unleash ourselves, consciously liberating who we are to these incredible beings in this life. So I invite you, join us, sign up in the link below. And meanwhile, I have another gift for you, a meditation I recorded with one of these incredible Kriya practices that all of us can do between now and we meet in the workshop. We'll see you very soon.